Finger rolls are fundamental movements and essential when applied to gloving. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your finger rolls to make them look continuous. Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Sergio. They call me Lucy Drop in the gloving community, and my channel's focus is on gloving. If you're interested in learning how to glove or how to create better gloving content, please consider subscribing. Now, in order to do continuous finger rolls, we're gonna start with our hands open up flat. Regularly, on a regular finger roll, we're gonna have our thumbs facing off to the side, left and right, and then we're gonna keep our hands flat, closing one finger at a time and opening one finger at a time to do a regular finger roll. Now, in order to do a continuous roll, instead of opening up flat, we're gonna open up into this arc. This is gonna be step one. For an arced finger roll, we're gonna have our thumbs slightly slanted. That way, when we open up our hands, we have this curvature in our hands when we present our finger rolls. For our second step, we're gonna close one hand from pointer to pinky. You can do this with your left or your right hand, so you pick and choose which one you wanna do. Once one hand is closed, you're gonna move the hand that's closed over the hand that's open. Then you're gonna open one finger at a time, starting from the pointer all the way to the pinky in order to form the second arc. Now, in order to form this arc, we're gonna make sure that our pointer fingers are touching and laying side by side. Next, our ring and our pinky fingers are slightly gonna come up in order to form the curve. For our thumb, we're gonna lay it as flat as possible just to get it out of the way. But the most important things are our fingertips. For our next step, the hand that's at the bottom is gonna close from pinky all the way to pointer. Once that hand is closed, you're gonna move the closed hand to the other side and then touch pinkies together in order to open up into the arc. Make sure to open up one finger at a time to form the arc again. Once you're back at this arc, make sure to repeat each step in order to do the continuous finger roll. And remember, if you want to master this move, make sure that you do it one way and then close the other hand and start the process all over again in order to figure out how to do it the opposite way. This way, you can do continuous rolls in any direction. In this video, I taught you how to do continuous upward facing finger rolls. For the next video, I'm going to teach you how to do continuous downward facing finger rolls. So if you don't want to miss that video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can know right when I upload the next video. So once again, I just want to say thank you to everybody that's supporting my channel. I do plan to remake the old tutorial videos that I did with my GoPro. I want to remake that value and present it back to you. But if you're still fired up and you want to learn more, here are 8 digidrills that will help you build dexterity, and here is a poking tutorial to teach you about poking so you can add that to your arsenal of gloving. Alright guys, well, you guys have a great day. Peace!